at the moment we're trying to tour my mom and my sister around.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
And we also have another visitor.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Isa. I am Shen's sister.
Oh, you see how pretty she is? And she has a twin sister now as well. So, how do you find Australia? Melbourne?
Good. It's a nice place to live. Better than Philippines.
Oh my God! Wow!
Another cruise.
Ay, ta. Ta. Ang balang brief information na ba sa imo nga pagod. Okay guys, next time lang guys. Warm up lang halita. Sa what can you say so far sa ating travel subong?
Smooth.
Smooth.
Around the Great Plain. Yeah, in the city of Melbourne.
Ah, nice.
Yes. You can find this on TikTok.
Yeah.
I saw this on TikTok.
Yeah, that's right. That's why you guys follow me, right? Like and subscribe. Thank you, partner. Partner namon guys late. What happened guys?
Guys, kailangan magkayod guys, pangbayad sa dinner guys.
Already 6 o'clock. Kaya pa?
Guys, we're so tired.
Let's ask our guests. Guys, update lang guys. Kaya pa?
Kaya pa. Kaya pa guys. Kaya pa mga 15K steps.
Wow! Kaya ka pa? Nagaling.
Nasa reklamo. Kasi yung magreklamo ito.
Lipong na. Ay, diretsong tulog karon ta.